Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can update your bio on your Instagram Flipside profile. Okay, first thing first, you can open your Instagram application on your phone and go to your profile. And you have to open your Instagram Flipside profile by tapping on this key icon. And here you can change your bio. You can click on this pencil icon and click on bio right here, and for example I'm going to add this bio. Wait guys, of me. Okay, then after you're done you can click on this check mark. Okay, and okay, now as you can see that my bio has been updated. Alright guys, and that's how we can update bio on Instagram Flipside profile. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.